Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have glasses and 3 containers left over from the 5 that I made up. And I want to put more paint into these ring pours, and I have no idea where that one started. But I got some really good rings the first time, and I used quite a bit of paint on my canvas. So I'm thinking, whoa, I don't want that blowing away or into a painting. I'm thinking I'd like to do more looping ring pours and attempt my zebra-esque pour that I've been craving. And I'm going to throw my other silicone cupcake mold into my bucket, and I'm going to start the same way I started, but I'm going to add gold to this process. And there's every chance that I'm also going to add some of my turquoise. Because I can. I'm not going to spread my paint around. I'm going to tilt my canvas and hope that this works as well as it just did. We shall see. I'm nervous. Where do I put the turquoise? I don't even know if that'll stay. Let's just start with 1 drop of that and see how that works. And let's grab other things that are in the way and move them. I'm just going to start by tilting. I'm going to put a couple of edge catchers up on my surface. Let things have their way. I could probably use a spatula to put things in place, but I think what I've got in mind instead is where I don't care for the excess dripping, and I actually do like it, so that was not exactly what I should have said there, because I do like the dripping. Things are going to change a lot when I add my stripey paint. I'm just going to keep seeing where things are going. I do like that turquoise. I don't want that paint to eat it all up. I could be done right now. I could put my spatula in with that black and white and it would be fabulous too. I don't really want to move those edge catchers off the table yet. I do want to go cross my fingers. Okay, so far so good. I don't want to eat up that whole bunch of rings down there, but I guess it's going to go anyway. Son of a gun. Okay, well, I might have to put some more over that. I'm going to let this run right down the edge catcher and knock it right back into the artwork. Oh, I got some of them back. A little bit. Alright, let me see what I've got. I want a whole lot more black and white. So I'm going to take the black that's in the bottom of this one and just, quick like a bunny, very simply, I want to do that a whole bunch of places, to tell you the truth. I kind of want to just rest that there and let it deposit itself. Oh, look at the leopard cells in the bottom of that are awesome. Check that out. That is so cool. I don't think I can have those, but you never know. They're too cool to leave there in case I can have them, though. They'll change when I tip. That's going in the bucket. And this is going right down here to see if I can take anything that's in there and use it. And it looks like I got away with something. I'm not sure what yet. We won't really know until I tilt. I'm going to put that spatula in the bucket. Now I have this cream pitcher, and it looks to me like I really need to squeeze a whole lot more white in there. I am focused, so it might take me a moment. Now I don't actually have to tip this if I liked what I had, but by tipping I get all kinds of really cool cells. I'm running low on white again in that mix. Not sure why that works that way. Because I use GAC 800 in all of my colors, if I didn't want to tilt and I just wanted to let things be as they are, I could do that. And they are pretty cool. I'm very tempted to play with things a little bit, like that. I could, yes, I could use a bamboo skewer and just see what will go where it wants to go. Right over the edge, right there. Maybe I will take a chance. I want some more down here, for sure. And I think I'm going to definitely give myself permission to use my edge catcher. That turquoise needs a companion, I think. I don't have to go far, which is kind of convenient because I don't really want to go far in this corner. Now I've got something cool to use somewhere else. Got beautiful animal print cells right there in the middle. Oh gosh, those are awesome. I really like this a lot. That was a good balancing tool, that little spot that I just added there. I want to kind of take the torch and see what's going to happen, but I also want some more turquoise. And I don't know if it's going to sink or stay. Or what I can do to it, and there may be some... Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like that. I love discovering new things. I really, really do. And mixing the... That's a folk art metallic. Excuse me, folk art color shift. So far I haven't screwed anything up too terribly by adding my turquoise. I definitely like that. That's stunning. I'm loving this. My husband's always telling me I should just do black and whites. I guess I believe him. But that's probably not going to be the case. So if I drag the skewer from the black paint down in, I get a different pattern inside my turquoise. And I think if I put a little turquoise on my bamboo skewer, come on, drip down, I can change up some other marks. I don't know if I want that over there. I do want some more gold. And I think I need to find this. I don't know. Whoop, I just got some. Okay then. As you noticed, I kind of sort of stopped tipping. I like taking that chance. That is why I adore the GAC 800. This is kind of bothering me. I'm probably not the only one. I have a little OCD thing going on once in a while. Just once in a while. I got 6 minutes left too. I love getting fast enough so that I have time to be creative and play with what I've got. So I love everything that I've got, and that is pretty cool for me. So I think probably rather than go on, let's see what pops. So I've explained in the last video that I did where the matte black canvas was dry when I started in the background, that the difference between the shiny black paint and the matte black paint makes all the difference for me. I like the difference in the textures. Now I am torching to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I do like that dot over there. It makes me want a couple more, but I'm not sure what they'd be. And I think what they might be is gold. Do I want any more? I got a couple more. An unexpected one even. I think I'm going to just restrain myself because I love what I have. I'm going to try not to miss any spots because I don't like bubbles forming that I can't pop the next day. This is just completely spontaneous and very instinctual and a ton of fun to play with, starting with the black and white. I don't know how much more turquoise I need. I don't think much. And I do have deep puddles of paint, and I am not going to tilt this canvas because I'm absolutely in lust with what I've got. I'm tempted by a couple more spots of turquoise, and that might not be a good thing. And I still have a little bit of paint left. I don't think those are going to hurt me. It's a color shift, so they'll be shiny and color shifting. Yeah, that's not hurting my feelings any either. So, I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you watch the videos longer, it helps my placement on YouTube. If you're looking for playlists, they're on my channel under Created Playlists, and if you open it, it'll drop down another menu that says Created Playlists. You can find playlists of 1 through 900 with 100 each in them-ish, and you can find genres like swipes and geometrics. Yeah, I'm not really minding adding my little dots, my little jewels. They're pretty cool. And I'm going to look at my list right quick and tell you guys, if you share my videos, you help me out, and I could use all the help you could get. And on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of all videos, you will find an exhibition video, which will share every month's prizes for the drawing that I do in the middle of the month. And that's a $10 minimum donation, and I really appreciate the help you guys have given me in the past. It's kept me painting. Really appreciate that a lot. I love you guys. There's almost 85,000 of you. If you're looking for a Facebook group to join, if you're a student, it's an Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. And if you're a fan or collector, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. And if you're shopping, I've got Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more, which will take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com. And those are wonderful places to find my stuff since 2013, even if you're not shopping. If you go under the video, you can find, under Show More, you can find the Amazon link where you can purchase the OXO Omelette Turning Spatula, best paint spreading spatula ever, and the OXO Omelette Turning Spatulas, and a whole bunch of other stuff on list number 1. And you can also find Teespring Clothing, which I designed, where there are all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And okay, so you can ask me questions if you want to. I'll get back to you when I can in comments. look under the video for the paint pouring recipe. If you're looking for Pinterest, Instagram, or Twitter, you'll find those there. And what did I forget? I think I did not forget anything. Wow. Give me a thumbs up. Yes, that's paramount importance. Can I have a thumbs up, pretty please? And if you watch the commercials, you've got to know you're helping me every time you do that. So you guys take care. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with the second in a black and white series that's got turquoise and gold in it. So it's not really a black and white series, but never mind. It's okay. I'm really happy. I got a really heavy painting though, so we got our fingers crossed it'll dry nicely. I love you guys. Check the community board for... Check my channel for Patreon and PayPal to make those donations, and check the community board for tomorrow's video. I hope you join me. I try and post almost every day, and from up here it looks pretty well balanced and like a lot of fun. Playground for amoebas. I don't know. You guys take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.